Hi everyone, it's Andrea here and welcome back to my channel. So finally it's Christmas Eve, December 24, 2021, and the long most awaited day has arrived. So as promised, I'm going to show you guys an unboxing video of this beauty right here. So actually I got this one quite a while now, but I thought I have to save it for Christmas Eve. So are you ready? So this is how the paper bag looks like. This is a new print, new design from Louis Vuitton. And I got this one from, actually I think I ordered this one online. This is a very hard to get piece. So to be honest, I'm really lucky to have this one in my collection. So are you ready? So first things first is of course the receipt that I've got in here, and this is actually this is called the Mini Pochette from the Christmas Animation 2021, and I've got in the print London Christmas Animation, and I've got the Mini Pochette. So normally I always have a Mini Pochette every Christmas time. So are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, ta-da! This is the box, and I haven't used this one as yet, but obviously I have opened it already. So are you ready? This is the box, and let me just draw the box for you. And as you can see, this is just the standard Louis Vuitton. What is this one called? A dust bag. So as you could see, there's just the Louis Vuitton logo. And are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Look at this one. Oh my god. It is so cute. This is how the front looks like. As you could see, there's the iconic London guard, the London red telephone, and of course the Big Ben in there, as you could see. And I really like the print. This has been on my wish list, and I was like, hopefully they will do a London print, because last time they did actually a Paris print on the Venus print. So this is how it looks like, and I really love it. I can't wait to use this one. This is actually made in France. Made in France, as you could see, it's in a canvas monogram print with, of course, the very limited edition London Christmas Animation. So there you are, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on my next video. This was take 1. I can't believe it. Take 1. Lovely. Thank you for watching. Bye. Merry Christmas.